If you're someone that is always eating the same thing for breakfast over and over and over again, then this video is for you. If you're someone that is always eating bread, cereal, or oatmeal every other day for breakfast, then you need to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and simple breakfast. This breakfast recipe will help you to switch your breakfast ideas up, okay? So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. For this recipe, we'll be needing some eggs, black pepper, some salt, onion, red and green bell peppers, vegetable oil, and any wrap of your choice. This egg wrap is very quick and easy to make, and it's also very filling. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this simple, quick and easy breakfast idea. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.